This is something I've been working on that I think is pretty cool. I have been going around town and noticing there's a lot of different places that different events are promoted. Things like flyers, Instagram posts, just on signs at bars, Facebook, etc. And I wanted to try putting together a AI automation, an agent. Um, so, a couple things that I set up. One, a little Telegram bot so that I can text an image of what I'm looking at. I can also include descriptions to it. Hopefully, that'll build something back or add some context to it. And then I'm using N8N. If I go in here, I have an automation running where basically it listens for that telegram and then it sends it to an ChatGPT to do an image analysis of it. I have a pretty lengthy prompt in here. We won't get into all of that, but it goes through a lot of rules, how to optical character recognize things. I even give it like an output, give it some edge cases, etc. I'll talk about how I got that kind of refined later on. Other things that this does, after outputting it, I edit the field. I'm just kind of testing whether it's better to just do this brick versus actual code. I'm getting help on how to write the code using ChatGPT. I also take those messages and I upload them to Google Drive, so I have a reference of them. I merge those two, and then I have it added to a spreadsheet, and then I have a completion step where it tells me when it's done and gives me a quick description. That's what you were seeing as its responses here. Just give me, this is mainly like the, hey, it got in there okay. I'll refine this later. Now, what I plan on doing, let's look at some of the other things. So you can see this is the database of the images that I've gotten. The reason I have that is because I want to be able to come in here, hover over it. This is the database that I've been collecting. It's not very pretty. This needs to be refined. You can see some of these have the descriptions missing, but this is a lot of the information that I was able to extract from it. The start time, when it is. I had to do a lot of work. You can see some of these are like defaulting to 2024. Don't know why that is still, but I will be testing that. Organizers, who I would need to at. But the whole goal here is on a weekly basis, I want to set up another automation where I can create a new, a new workflow where it would, on a weekly basis, go in there and pull that, like the upcoming list of events. From that, I'll have it automatically create Instagram post and Reddit post. Just here's what's going on this week. Would love any input or thoughts.